Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US stocks were led higher by technology shares, while crude prices dipped as investors, amid light Columbus Day trading, looked past signs of economic softness in China and girded themselves for a string of high-profile corporate earnings reports. Cryptocurrency investment products posted another successful week as Bitcoin led weekly inflows with $419 million. Digital asset investment products saw inflows of $407 million during the week to October the 11th. CoinShares reported in its latest weekly report. Shares of Nvidia neared record highs, putting the heavyweight AI chip maker on the brink of dethroning Apple as the world's most valuable company, with investors betting on strong demand for its next-generation Blackwell IA processors. The company's stock climbed 2.8%.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's employment change will be released at 6 GMT, the US Red Book Index at 12:55 GMT, the UK's claimant count change at 6 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 9 GMT. Japan's capacity utilisation at 4:30 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.